Styling your hair shouldn't take an hour every morning, especially after 60. The right hairstyle can make you look younger, feel confident, and take less than 5 minutes to manage. Today, I'm sharing 5 low-maintenance hairstyles that flatter mature women and work for every day. Hairstyle 1. The soft layered bob. First up is the soft layered bob. This cut hits just below the chin or at the jawline and has light layers to add volume. It's perfect if your hair has gotten thinner with age because the layers create movement and fullness. Ask your stylist for soft, face-framing layers. Styling is easy. A quick blow dry with a round brush or just let it air dry. It looks polished without trying too hard. Hairstyle 2. The pixie cut with texture. Number 2 is the textured pixie cut. Don't shy away from short hair. A pixie with choppy, textured layers on top takes years off your face and is super easy to manage. All you need is a dab of lightweight styling cream and a quick tousle with your fingers. It's great for hot weather and keeps the focus on your eyes and cheekbones. If you want a bold but elegant look, this is it. Hairstyle 3. The shoulder-length shag. If you want to keep some length, go for a shoulder-length shag. This cut has lots of choppy layers and a slightly messy finish. It works really well for women with wavy or straight hair. The layers remove weight, so your hair doesn't fall flat. Style it with a bit of sea salt spray or air dry for that effortless, modern look. It's youthful, low effort, and never goes out of style. Hairstyle 4. The classic low bun or chignon. For a more elegant option, try a low bun or chignon at the nape of your neck. This is perfect for events, family gatherings, or even just when you want your hair out of your face. The trick is to keep it soft, not too tight. Leave a few face-framing pieces out in front. It takes 2 minutes and instantly makes you look put together. Hairstyle 5. The side-swept lob. Last is the side-swept lob, or long bob. This is a shoulder-length cut with a deep side part. The side sweep adds volume at the crown and softens the forehead, which a lot of women over 60 love. It works on almost every face shape. You can wear it straight with soft waves, or even let it dry naturally. It's versatile and always looks classy. Quick tips for all hairstyles. Quick tip for all these styles: focus on healthy hair first. Use a moisturizing shampoo, avoid too much heat, and get a trim every 8 to 10 weeks to keep the shape. Also, consider going a shade or two lighter than your natural color. Softer tones around the face are very flattering after 60. So those are 5 hairstyles that are stylish, easy, and age beautifully. Tell me in the comments which one you'd try first. And if you want a video on hair colors for women over 60, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.